What's up, guys? Working in Spring Hill today and doing back of a house wash. It's actually snowing. I don't know if you can see that at all in the video, but we're still working this out. So George is spraying off all the vegetation, keeping all that nice and healthy, as Ryan is soft washing. So we'll do a quick video to show what's going on. The back of this house is the north facing side, so it's got tons of organic growth on it, and so we're hitting it with a pretty good mix here. Especially in the cold, it takes a little bit longer. But this is taking care of it. So we're doing a soft wash on all this, and you can pretty much see it working. So we've got 3% sodium hypochlorite coming out of here with about a 3% surfactant mix. We're doing all the siding and then the faces of the gutters and the fascia as well. So we're putting it on here, letting it dwell for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinsing it off. So all this has been sprayed with chemical, just not rinsed yet. I'll pause the video and then pick up with it momentarily, and then we'll see how it does. All right, we're about 5 minutes in here. This is slowly starting to work on this, taking a little bit longer because it's cold. This has been hit with chemical but not rinsed yet, and George is now rinsing this side. So pretty much all comes off. May have to retreat a few spots, maybe around the gutters, but all the siding, it is taking care of it. So George rinses all this off. This continues to work, and then this is going to continue to work till George gets over here. So that's it. Back of the house, knocking this out for him. I'll have this done. Whole job, about 20-25 minutes, even in the cold. So give us a call if we can help with your exterior cleaning needs. We'd love to do so. 615-870-7797.